Meet the Monstera deliciosa, also known as the Swiss cheese plant. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, this plant is famous for its large, glossy, heart-shaped leaves with distinctive splits. In the wild, these splits help it withstand heavy rainfall and strong winds. Indoors, it can grow up to 10 to 15 feet tall with the right care. It's a climber, so give it a moss pole or trellis to support its growth. Occasionally, it may produce creamy white flowers and edible fruit with a unique pineapple banana flavor. But be patient, it takes a year to ripen. Aerial roots help it climb and absorb moisture from the air. The Swiss cheese plant adds a tropical vibe to any room, purifies air, and is low maintenance. Light, bright, indirect. Water, when the top inch of soil is dry. Humidity, high is best, but it adapts. Temperature, between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Soil, well-draining, peat-based mix. Fertilize monthly during growing season. Yellow leaves, too much water. Brown tips, low humidity or underwatering. Pests, look out for spider mites, aphids, and scale. Propagate with stem cuttings in water or soil. Easy. Transform your home into a tropical oasis with the Monstera deliciosa. Happy growing! For more tips, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video and channel.